Hello and welcome to this gold price report. This report focuses on explaining the indicators that are used by the trading algorithm, which manages most of the market movement. It's not the usual technical or fundamental analysis. My goal is to give you a view on the bigger picture and a more complete understanding of the market movement. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss any of my daily and weekly reports. I also share lessons for beginners where I explain the indicators I use on my charts as well as strategies in my automated trading. I would like to remind you, this is not any sort of financial advice nor a buy or sell signal. Finally, if this is your first time watching my video, please review my previous report because these reports are somehow connected to each other. Now, let's dive in. As I explained yesterday, we were waiting for the market to retake the super trend of the 1 hour time frame and change it to sell, and this happened. Then I mentioned that after this super trend we should look for our super trend. As we see, this also happened. The market took the super trend and changed it to sell. And one more point I mentioned in my previous report, and if the price break this support, we could see an attempt for the price to go to the lower support, which is at 3055, and this happened. Now after that we saw bounce back of the price to the upper level, back into the consolidation zone. We saw that the price, after getting the support from 3055, as I mentioned, bounced back to the 5 EMA and try to close above the 20 EMA, but this is not possible since the down momentum already started. What we are expecting from the gold today? At the moment, all the super trend are on sale, and we see this new trend line just started, and the price trying to break this support again, and if close below this level we might see an attempt for the price to go back to the same level and test the same level of yesterday. In case if this level break, the next support will be at 3033, and below that the last support of gold will be at 3008. If the price go below this level, we will start seeing more sharper momentum of the gold price to fall. For the price to reverse and continue its up momentum, it's need to change all the super trend time frame and close above the upper side of the channel, then to break this resistant level, then change the 4-hour super trend. Now I don't expect this to happen today. What I'm expecting, an attempt to close below the support we see here and a test for these three levels. Now how we will know if the price will break this trend line and go to the upper side or will continue its momentum? We have to be very watchful for the 1 hour super trend. Any attempt to close for the 1 hour candle above the 20 EMA and crossover of the 20 EMA and the 5 EMA can drive the price to the upper level, and we could see the bulls trying to take the super trend of the 1 hour time frame. As you see, the crossover attempt failed in the morning and today afternoon, so we could see a further down of the price to go and close below these levels. We have to be very watchful because there is very important data today coming out, and this data could move the market aggressively. Regarding the other chart, as I explained in my previous report yesterday, that I was expecting this candle to close in red and break this support, which is the 3,114. Now the price opened just below that, and we see continuation and change of the momentum. If we notice, these three candles are doji candle, and they could be clear signal of the price reversal. As I explained in my previous report, the price took the support from the 20 EMA, went up, took the support again from the 20 EMA, then to the upper side of the channel, came down, took the support from the 3010, then we saw a movement of the price outside of this channel, and now the price attempting to enter the channel. Now the outside of this channel is the support. Any close below this level, we could see the next support will be the 20 EMA. We could see small bounce of the price and coming down. The next support will be the midline of the channel, and we could see a bounce of the price and then breaking down the midline of the channel. Now the midline of the channel is around 2,975, and if the price break this level, we could see the price trying to go to the lower level of the channel. Regarding MACD, as we see, the signal line and the MACD line are closing on each other, and we could see a cross, as I mentioned previously, between the MACD line and the signal line. This could be in the next coming days, probably the first 2 days of the week. For stochastic indicator, we start seeing the K line and the D line entering the channel. Momentum indicator gives us the second dark column. There is a clear signal of weakening of the bullish momentum, and this may drive the price to start going lower level. This is all for today's report. I hope you benefit from it. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.